On its 37th Rising Day, the Coast Guard presented two of its newest trainees, Assistant Commandant Vrishruti Yadav and Abhita Kumari Rao. Yadav and Rao are currently undergoing training at the Coast Guard in Goa. Both said they were extremely proud to be a part of the force that helps those who are at sea on the seas. Thus far, women officers are restricted to working on logistics support jobs, but senior Coast Guard officials said they are in the process of making their vessels women crew friendly before they clear the decks for women officers to take up on-board crew positions. The Coast Guard in Goa has 4 ships and 2 helicopters in service and are expected to get a dedicated berth at the Mormugao port very soon.
And Abhita Kumari Rao. I have joined Coast Guard in 2012. So right now I'm appointed here in Goa to serve the nation, and basically it's a platform where I can work in the way I want to serve the nation. Basically it's the job where we can help others. I've newly joined. It's been a 1.5 year, and we are basically here to provide logistic support for operational works at sea. We do admin jobs in our stations, at district headquarters and regional headquarters, basically to give the support to all the operational bullets we have. We are going to the colleges and everywhere. We are promoting the services, and it's a good way to join services, so that basically there's no, still I feel Goan people don't go for the services like this, but I'll suggest them that they should join the services. It's a very good platform and they'll get various job profiles here.
I'm Vrishruti, and I'm doing my training over here, and I joined Coast Guard last year only in 2012, and right now I'm doing my training here.
Right now, the present circumstances prevailing, we don't go on board ships. We are here just to provide logistic supports, but we have lady officers in operation bullets, like we have pilots and navigators, pilots in Dorniers and Chetaks, which go for the operational, like SAR requirement. We do have lady officers which go, but I'm a general duty officer. I provide logistic support.
We have got, let it be a sailor as a navig, or a technician, an yantrik, or as an officer from the rank of assistant commandant. So we had a painting competition for school children up till to the age of 12th standard, which we recently concluded, and tomorrow is our raising day, and that's all about the तुम्ही मोहीम चलेल्याबद्दल विचारले. This is a small मोहीम we do because Coast Guard at Goa is not as big. We have got 4 ships based here and 2 helicopters based here. We got a Coast Guard Air Store Depot here. We have got Coast Guard Air Inspectorate Services, which does bigger maintenance repairs of our fixed wing Dornier aircrafts.
Sir, there was a dedicated bus supposed to come at Mormugao Harbour for Coast Guard. What is the status of what?
The Mormugao Port Trust has been kind enough. The chairman and the trustees there have allotted this berth to us. The case has gone to Ministry of Defence, and we are hopeful shortly the sanction for this will come, and courtesy the chairman and the trustees of Mormugao Port Trust will be shortly having the Coast Guard and the Navy will have a dedicated berth.
What is the plan?
I am sure I meet people and you people put this out, people will know and they would go. We have got a Coast Guard website.